1 is the next step and last one is 3. Join CD. So that will be done. One important point to note here is, in the exam, this sequence may not be given. Even this sequence, if it is given, then also it's correct. So first AB, then start from angle B, and then 6, then 1, then 2, then 4, then 3. Then also it is correct. But both won't be given to you, right? If both are given, then there is a confusion. Therefore, either C will be given to you or this will be given to you. Next, arrange the steps to the following. Means this. Construct a parallelogram ABCD with sides AB equals to 4, AD equals to 5 and angle A equals to 60 degrees. So we have to construct a parallelogram. Now what are the steps? First, let's check. Firstly, you will have to start with AB. Construct AB. So 1 is true. So construct AB equals to 4. Then now as 1 is true, is there any sequence other than A which has 1? So definitely the answer is 1. Don't try anything else. You will definitely mark it A as the correct answer. Just check whether other steps match. Here, construct the angle 60 degree angle at point A. Construct line AD. Okay, that's also. Place a sharp point pencil on the compass at B and make an arc of 5. That's also correct because we have to move to B then. Stretch your compass to 4 centimeters and place a sharp end at D and draw an arc to intersect the arc in step number 2, means this AD. Okay. Then label the intersecting point C, join C to D and B to C to form the parallelograms. Here, all the sequences are correct. Only the first thing is 1. If you get it correct, then remaining all you need not even check. Okay, so the correct answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, okay, we'll solve the remaining ones in the next video. So download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Swing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and I guarantee you'll learn them within 3 months. And mind it, they are useful for you throughout your life in any competitive exam. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.